Chris Rosner, Tanner Thomas, and a handful of my other friends in that era that we were all pushing to kind of not necessarily riding the coattails, but just really going after these great guys, those legends that you talked about in the beginning, going on the IFWA tour and striving to go to the Blowsion Surf Slam events, which it was crazy. It was one event that really shaped, molded our lives for over a decade.
Unfortunately, I came in right around the time that Joe got hurt, but then John Dady was such a force to be reckoned with himself, and he was, and for you guys who don't know, John Dady was the founder of Blowsion out of Oregon, and John was one of the coolest guys you ever talked to, and was so full of stoke, and he made the Blowsion Surf Slam, and guys like John really helped cultivate the world of freeride, and basically kind of gave you a platform to shine.
Yeah, absolutely did, Johnny. And so for those of you who don't know what Surf Slam was, pull it up on YouTube. A lot of great videos from the years. We have the IFWA Tour, which is the International Freeride Watercraft Association. This is the sanctioning body and tour that was worldwide. Been going through a little bit of a hardship through, thanks COVID, ruined everything. But
right.
This contest ended up there at Tierra Del Mar Beach in Pacific City, Oregon, and it's where two riders go head-to-head in a contest with 5 judges watching. 2 riders are head-to-head in the surf, breaking waves, half judged on surf riding, half judged on like freestyle motocross, all the jumps and flips and spins that you guys love. But really, again, really difficult event to pull off if you don't have a location. So Oregon was it was a proving ground because it was always cold. It was always crappy. We got some spurts of good weather, of course, but it was Oregon. The water was frigid. The waves were merciless. Like one of the first events that we had there, the first surf slam that existed, the first actual contest that had existed, because before that it was the Blowsion Beach Party, and I only got to go to one of those, and that was a phenomenal sort of deal. That's kind of what kicked the free ride contest into gear, to have Surf Slam. But man, that contest, the first year we had legitimately, I think it was like a king tide that recently had showed up again, combined with a massive swell that came in, and it was 30-foot swells or more. I mean, it was, I remember being on party waves with my group of friends practicing, and there's a road that comes in that kind of crests down this mountain, and I remember feeling like on this party wave with all my friends, super lazy, big slab, making eye contact with people that were driving down this cliff. I mean, if you know, you know, but
yes,
legitimately all kinds of conditions. Skis have gotten swallowed up there and died and gotten never to be seen again. Nobody died there in the contest, but I mean, just really rough stuff. So great contest, and really grateful to have Johnny, who put that together, Blowsion, through their legacy, for Johnny to have seen it through then a couple years after he had passed.
Yeah. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.